$1.3 billion, that's the amount of money drunk driving cost taxpayers in Louisiana last year. Sadly, in many cases, loss of life is the price others pay due to drunk drivers. KPLC's Adam Hooper shows us how recently passed legislation looks to bring down both numbers.
In the past, before year 2000, if you were charged with felony DWI, you were looking at 15 years in prison in some cases. But high cost to the taxpayer caused the penalty to change to a much lesser sentence.
That system has not worked in deterring impaired drivers on our highways.
According to DWI, 46% of all deaths on Louisiana highways are caused by drunk driving. New legislation in Louisiana has changed the punishment in hopes of changing the outcome. As it stands now, if you're brought to jail on a fourth offense DWI, the minimum sentence is 75 days in jail. The new law looks to change that to at least 2 years on lockdown. And for DWI third offense, the new minimum is 1 year behind bars. But there are other options for a judge to consider. The first is jail time. But the judge will also be able to send an impaired driver to DWI or drug court. And the last option would be a residential facility, where one could receive treatment, complete courses, and most importantly, they would be forced to have a job so they could pay for their stay.
For those who would not have a job, we would find them a job and provide the transportation to and from. By staying there, we will help them and rectify their particular situation, but not on the taxpayer's back.
The new sentencing standards for DWI third and fourth offense will not go into effect until August. At your service in Lake Charles, Adam Hooper, KPLC 7 News.
The law already authorizes the state to auction off the vehicle of someone arrested for felony DWI, but the new legislation allows for the money from the sale of a vehicle to be divided between the arresting agency, the district attorney's office, and the Property and Casualty Insurance Commission.